Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to add a new account on MetaQuest 3S. Step-by-step multi-user setup guide. Method 1. Add a new account from the headset. Step 1. Press the Meta button and open Quick Settings. Step 2. Go to Settings, then Profiles, then Add Profile. Step 3. Choose whether to share apps and select Send Link. Step 4. Enter the user's email address and send the invitation. Step 5. The user opens the email, accepts the invite, and signs in to their Meta account. Method 2. Add a new account using the Meta Horizon app. Step 1. Open the Meta Horizon app on your phone. Step 2. Tap Devices and select your Quest 3S. Step 3. Open Manage Profiles and tap Add Profile. Step 4. Send the invitation link to the user's email. Step 5. The user accepts the invite and completes the account setup. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.